This tip is gonna change the way you're gonna juice. Absolutely the number one key component to juicing, you gotta prep. You gotta prep. I want you guys to understand, get all your vegetables, get your fruit, wash them, cut them up, and put them in Ziploc bags. If you don't prep, you're gonna get frustrated with juicing. I tell all my clients and tell all my juicers to prep so that they can save a ton of time and to make juicing so much more fun and just make it an awesome, everlasting journey and incorporate that part of your daily lives. So when it comes to juice prepping, the first thing that I highly recommend is you're gonna buy a 19 storage gallon Ziploc bag where you're gonna be able to store all your vegetables and fruits. We're also gonna get Himalayan salt or sea salt to wash your fruits and vegetables. You're gonna go ahead and place your vegetables in a big round bowl, add some Himalayan salt, filtered water, and wash them for about 20 minutes. Once the vegetables are washed, you're gonna go ahead and place them in a cutting board. You're gonna cut the vegetables into pieces and place them in the Ziploc bag and then place them inside the fridge. And you'll be ready to juice the next day. So let me know the next time you juice if you found this tip helpful. I'm sure you will, but I wanna hear from you. Keep following me and subscribe to my channel if you thought this was helpful.